So today we're going to talk a little bit about bushcraft knives. You know, you're getting your first knife, you're looking for it. What do you want to get? So definitely you definitely want something that's going to allow your handle to your hand to fit the handle and be comfortable. Not only from vibration, but downward forces and different forces you're going to put on this handle as you build the skills to use this knife. Having a lanyard hold, I think, is a good idea, especially if you're going to do chopping tasks. Just allows you to kind of lock that in so it doesn't go flying out. And we'll do a nice safety video that kind of really locks that in. 9-degree spine, I think, is a must. As far as your edge goes, I would suggest a good carbon steel, high carbon steel standy grind. But you can use 1095, which is a very strong steel with a flat grind. Works fine. Stainless steel blades work fine. Each is going to do better at certain tasks than the other. So keep that in mind on depending on what you want to do. Standy grind works pretty good for a general purpose outdoors knife in high carbon steel. The 90-degree spine, which is the back of the knife, and I'll do a video explaining these parts, but that's great for scraping tinder, and that is also great for a ferro rod use. The very point of the knife, the very tip of it, it matters too, because you want to be able to use this almost like an awl or a drill, so you can kind of wow holes, things like that. And it also makes a difference too on how you're going to use it. So if you're going to try to use this as a step stool, I wouldn't go with, you know, a normal bushcraft. I go more like an SE blade or an Ontario Rat 5 type of point. Let's see what else we got. And I think that's pretty much it. Like again, you know, next week I'll put out a video and we'll take a look at all these different aspects of the knife, and that way you guys will get a better idea, and we'll show comparisons on the edge. So if you like this, like, share, subscribe as always, ring that notification bell. Stay safe, stay armed, stay free, and I shall see you next week. GoPro, stop recording.